YouTube? We're back with another video with y'all favorite car from looking at the comments and all that. We got Big Green right here. Finna take this tarp off. Oh, Rick here too. We got stuff coming for her as well. Cause I know y'all always talking about I'm neglecting, but I ain't neglecting for real. Got a prize coming for her. But finna get on this. And yeah, I gotta change the brake boost cause I'm finna get back to driving it every day probably. Cause the Grand Prix wanna tweet and the transmission wanna start acting a fool. The Grand Prix did start back driving somewhat okay, good enough to what I be needing to do. It pulled the code up about stall converter, speed sensor, something like that. And my granddad said the transmission probably trying to go out because that transmission actually has been swapped already before I got the car. But yeah, we're gonna drive until the transmission fall out, I ain't gonna lie, cause boy, I ain't trying to drive the box every day. If I ain't got to, cause I got that one, cause that say gas. So yeah, we're gonna drive it till the transmission fall out. So, instead of buying a new car right now, or getting that fit, cause that's gonna cost more than car to get this brake booster right, so I can be in the wind, which it ride now, but it don't like for you to keep getting on brake, cause then it just go to the floor. So yeah, finna get that changed, and we'll fade back to y'all. All right, y'all, gonna take these brake lines loose. I've actually done this before, but it wasn't on this car. It was actually on the Malibu when I first got it home. Homie Darry, he had a brand new brake boost, so I put it on the Malibu. It was a G-body brake boost though, so yeah, I've done this before. Don't want to do it again really, because this car even tighter because it got an original dash in it. I didn't have an original dash in the Malibu, so y'all know fiberglass was in that car, so it wasn't nothing behind that dash. So yeah, finna get on it and take this master cylinder off first and everything. So yeah, I get back with y'all. Finna get back with y'all with this time lapse stuff. All right, y'all. Got the lines loose. That cylinder is off, sitting on the side. So now, I'm gonna take this off because it will be leaking back here, y'all. So, gonna get that off of there. And yeah, we'll fade back. And this is gonna take a minute, so bear with me, y'all. I ain't getting them two top ones.
You got them over there?
Not really, but yeah.
They a booger?
Yeah, I got it loosened, but I'm trying to get that on there, but that big old battery is stopping me.
Oh.
And then the brake pedal in the way.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah.
Might have to do that with my hand, gang.
I ain't trying to do that.
Nah, that definitely
I'm
cool. Get
trying.
you. Put the longer extension on
The
there.
long extension don't work up there, cuz. You
It don't?
you got the dash up there. You can't got much space.
That's right.
It work on the bottom, but not the top.
Gotcha.
So yeah.
Yeah, you're gonna have to keep
Finagling.
Yeah, that's the word. That's the word I was looking for.
Yeah. He finna go to work, y'all.
I'm finna make my day, man.
Yeah.
Alright, be safe, man.
I will. Alright, y'all. Going back into time lapse. Alright, y'all. If I'm not mistaken, I think it only had 3. So I think it's out. But we gotta get that thing loose from the brake pedal itself. It had Carter pin, took that out already, but it's weird because the pin don't move. I mean, the rod that come through the back don't got no flexibility in it, so it's kind of hard to get them off. So let me flip this camera around, see if she out a little bit. Alright, so I think it's loose. I gotta check in there again. Alright, y'all. Got that brake booster off of there. That actually didn't take as long as I thought it would. It was missing this top one right there. And it was good we was, because that thing is hard to get to. But yeah. Got the old one off. That's been changed a long time ago. So now, I'm gonna go get that new one and show it to y'all. Side by side, y'all. So, hopefully everything worked correctly. I'm already noticing I don't got that gasket that go right there. But that's not, I think that's just like a gasket to keep air, because that ain't no fluid area. So, yeah, that's fade back with y'all in a minute. Alright, y'all, I just talked to my granddaddy. I'm gonna just use this old one. It ain't in good shape, but I don't really think this gasket, this one is not really important factor because there's no fluid going in that area. I think this is just like a air pocket gasket. I'm just gonna put this old one back on here. It's alright, it ain't in good shape, but yeah, finna throw that back on there. But yeah, y'all, finna fade back to y'all when you put it on now. Alright, y'all. Sorry I didn't record that, but I had to scratch the hole out right there on the other one because it wasn't fitting. But y'all know how that remanufactured stuff be. But yeah, got the hole scratched out. Now it's on there. Now I'm finna bolt it up in the inside. And yeah, then we'll be close to being done. This actually hasn't took as long as I thought, but I ain't gonna jinx it yet because we ain't done yet. So yeah, going to that time lapse. All right, y'all. Got that in up under there. We'll show it to y'all, but I don't think y'all gonna be able to see that. Y'all can see. Y'all see them chrome bolts? There's one up there, two up top. Two up top, but I only got one in because cut it out like that. The other one is super hard to get to. But yeah. It's in there. All right, y'all, we finna throw this master cylinder back on and hook these brake lines back up. And then I guess we're gonna have to bleed the brakes after that. So yeah, let's get into that. All right, y'all. Pretty sure we're gonna have to bleed them. Yeah, I can feel the air in the line, so I'm gonna bleed them brakes. And yeah, hopefully we should get something done. I'll fade back. All right, y'all, we're back in here. All right, pump it. Now you gotta do a little more than that now. Yeah. Now when it gets super tight, just hold it. How I feel.
Feel like it's in there.
Hold it real quick. Hold it to the floor.
I'm holding it, yeah. It's going down more now.
Alright, hold it. Keep holding it.
I'm holding.
Alright, now pump them again. Hold it. Pump it one more time. Damn, it feel like it's getting tight.
It's already tight. Yeah.
Hold it. Hold on.
I ain't letting go. You say just hold. I'm just holding.
I gotta do the other side.
Ooh.
Hold. It went down.
Not even.
It didn't go down.
No.
Alright, pump it.
It went down then.
Alright, y'all. We testing it. The brakes really don't feel much different. I don't got no vacuum leaks. My intake tight. The modulator valve on the transmission good. So, don't really know. Like you gotta stop sooner in this car. But it stopped though. But it's just like it ain't stopping like I want it to, if that makes sense. So yeah. Thinking about getting a vacuum pump too, y'all. Finna check to see if this thing leaking or not. It's a new master cylinder. I don't think it's leaking from the bottom like it was, but it's definitely leaking something. Let me show y'all. It's a new master cylinder though, but like you see fluid on the top of it, so I'm thinking it's just falling down. Like at first, I thought it was leaking from the bottom like it was up first, but fluid on the top leaking down. I don't understand that. Hopefully y'all enjoyed that video. That'll be all for this one. We still gotta bleed the brake some more because I didn't know that you can bleed the drums, the back. Still a rookie, you know, still learning. So yeah, my granddad told me to bleed the back and you should be good because we done bled the front up plenty of times and it's like it's still not getting all that air. So I didn't know you could bleed the back too. So once we bleed the back, the box should run good. So yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you turn your post notifications on so you know when we upload a new video.